Frankly, I'm not that focused on the difference in 0.2 or 0.3% in GDP growth over the next quarter or next year. There's a lot of arguments out there saying that GDP is not that great a measure in any case. What we need to be focusing on is how we are improving people's general level of prosperity and their livelihoods. And in order to do that, we need to be constantly investing in research and development and innovation. And here, what we're doing is effectively trying to provide the infrastructure to connect the capital with the best opportunities and ideas to help grow productivity and improve people's lives over the long term. China has done an incredible amount to raise its productivity. Just look around, look at the infrastructure. Just in terms of walking around the street in Beijing, you don't have the road pollution. The shift in EV, in the powertrain in cars to EVs, means that you don't have the roadside pollution. You don't have the noise pollution, other thing associated with a lot of vehicle traffic. That in itself has created just a huge amount of improvement to people's general livelihoods. And I think China has been very, very successful in it. Hong Kong over the last 30 years has done incredibly well, transforming into an international financial center, but it's been very narrowly based on the China equities IPO business. It's effectively front office capital raising in international markets to invest in China. It now has the opportunity to diversify massively. And the diversification is not only in terms of asset class, where we're seeing actually a lot of international issuers wanting to raise money through issuing CNH bonds now. That business has been growing massively over the last couple of years because of relatively low renminbi interest rate. We're talking to Chinese custodian banks, we're listening to their business plans, we understand the demand to internationalize their networks to meet the international diversification demands for Chinese institutional savings. And that is a huge opportunity, not just for Chinese savers and the Chinese financial institutions, but also for international corporates and issuers who want to tap into that pool of capital for investment.